Good day, members of the UN. I am Samantha. My partner is Kaitlyn. We work for an NGO. Big changes need to happen to extraction, production, and consumption in order for coffee to stay in the market.
Coffee beans are produced into coffee. Most people like drinking coffee because of the taste and also because it wakes them up. All around the world, people drink coffee, but it's a want, not a need. For example, every day we drink 1.4 billion of coffee. Norway drinks 26%. Finland also drinks 26%. Denmark drinks 25%, and Sweden drinks 23%. And this is only the top European countries in the world. Coffee, the resource, impacts on the food chain when we first put the chemical pesticides onto the producer, which are the trees. Afterwards, the primary consumer, the insects, would eat the pesticides from the trees. Then the insects are eaten by the secondary consumer, which are the birds. Now the birds are eaten by the cougar. If you really think about this is an excellent example of bioaccumulation. The cougar and the animals aren't the only one in danger, so is the ecosystem around it.
You could just use shade-grown coffee so that less rainforests are cut down. If you don't use chemical pesticides, the ecosystem would be healthy. People should stop all this nonsense and help rebuild the destruction of our people. Then the whole ecosystem would not tumble. The animals would be safe and have a home. The plants would provide healthy and sustainable homes. Farmers should know about what happens to their land and ecosystem. People who buy coffee pay $3 to $6, when farmers are paid 3 to 6 cents. This is not fair. Coffee in 2007 was $1.22. The coffee price has gone up. This is the cost of farmers in poverty. If farmers don't want to join fair trade, their children won't have education, their family won't have healthcare. And this is happening to millions of farmers.
But if they did have fair trade, then they and their family would be able to sell their coffee for a reasonable price and get 3 to 5 times as much more money than no fair trade farmers. That would mean that the farmer and the family would be able to gain education and learn.
If you just use shade-grown coffee instead of sun-grown coffee, trees would not be cut down for sun. If we buy fair trade coffee, that means we care. We should show the world what is really going on. 25 billion people depend on coffee. Farmers do too, but they have different reasons.
As you can see, therefore, if you want to help the environment and still have fair trade coffee, use shade-grown. This is because it doesn't harm the environment, which tells you that you're doing your part and much healthier too. For fair trade coffee, look for the symbol and it will ensure you that the farmers have fair trade. Thank you for your time. This is our source and citation bibliography.
This is our picture bibliography.